at GH, Sarili State College, main campus. May graduate siya atong 2024. Pagkalabas pa din. But, bisan sa iyahang pagkabatanon, immediately after her graduation from college, after she had taken the licensure examination for professional teacher, which was held last September 29, 2024, she passed. Okay? Let's give a round of applause for her achievement. Okay? Being a new licensed professional teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to present to you our guest speaker for today's completion moving up ceremony. Let us give her a very loud applause. Miss Casey Bulayo Kadundoy. Ma'am?
Please be seated. My heartfelt respect to our DepEd representative, Dr. Virgilio A. Maritmont Jr., sir. To our district supervisor, Dr. Maria Socorro M. Orion. To our active school head of Nabulong National High School, Sir Lorenzo Puersas. The dedicated teaching staff of the Nabulong National High School, barangay officials, PP officials, our dear completers, proud parents, students, visitors, good morning. It is truly an honor to stand before you today as your guest speaker. Being invited to speak in my beloved alma mater is not just a privilege, it is a dream come true. Bangan ko ito niya makaistorya at sa tubangan ma-share ang isang mga kaagi. Now, let me share a short background of my life. Sayod ko nga ang uban or itang tanak nga gikan ko or anak ko sa broken family and my mother is an OFW. My mother has been an OFW, I think, when I was 7 or 8 years old until now. Every 2 years, na siya mawala din. Tag 2 months sa aming vacation para makaupan niya. She left not because she wanted to, but because she had to. Tungod sa kalisod, sa kinabuhi, nalimpalan siya sa layo para masuportahan ang among mga panginahanglan. Growing up without my mother, wala akong mama sa tatay, lisod. Masuya ko na itong mga bata nga complete pang pamilya ng mama every time nga anta para sa ang pag-eskwela. Masuya ko na achievement sa school. Wala siya para muntaon sa mamila kay sahay yung paghuli sa ulan ng matulong o pinglusin.
No.
Yes, we have food on table. Thanks to Mamang's hard work. Still, if I could choose, I would have chosen to have my mother beside me. Because love and presence, hindi ka parang important.
Iya mo lakaw ko ha. Ang ka.
To my mama Obe,
Rubi ako tay.
salamat sa iyong akong sakripisyo. Kabalo ko sa iyong kaminaw diha sa iyo. Pero wala agad kami undang sa iyong pagpalikan para kanamo. Kanin mong naabot sa iyong mga anak para nimo niyang tanan. I love you. Lisod na gani, walay mama. At the year 2012,